Today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate truffle. Chocolate any holiday truffle. Soft on the outside and moist and gooey on the inside. So tasty, you cannot help but eat another one. Step is I'm going to go ahead and pour about 3/4 cups of almond milk. I'm also going to put some almond butter in there as well. This is salt free. I'm going to put this in the micro for 2 minutes. Afterwards, I will stir this up. So I got these chocolate chips over here. It's allergy friendly, dark chocolate chip, 72%. There's no dairy over here as well. I poured in 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chocolate chips in the warm milk. I'm just going to put a little bit of vanilla essence in there as well. Okay, now it's looking really nice and gooey. It's melted, and see it's leaving the whisk as well. So you know this is ready and already mixed up and not clumpy. If it is clumpy, you can always put it in the microwave for a little bit longer if you need. I'm going to wait for this to cool down a little bit. Of course, you want to taste this as well to see if you like it. This is perfect. Put the lid on it, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to leave this in the fridge overnight. Okay guys, this chocolate has been sitting in the fridge for sitting overnight now, and let me look at this. It's looking so good. How does it feel? It has a soft touch to it, which is good because I'm going to be scooping this up right now. These are the perfect Easter eggs in my opinion. This looks so good. I also went ahead and I chopped some almonds. Of course, any nuts would do, but I chopped some almonds, and I'm just going to take each one and dip it in there and circle it around. Okay, now I can't wait any longer. I have to go for one of these bad boys. Yum! This is so good, guys. You have to have it. You have to try this. This is so delicious. It's indulgent, silky smooth chocolate ganache ball. It just melts in your mouth with the deep, rich flavor. Not only is it gluten-free, dairy-free, it is also guilt-free treat that satisfies every chocolate craving. This has a subtle, sweet taste, just lingers in my palate. You know, with this, we don't need any gluten or dairy to experience this chocolate bliss. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes, and have a great day. And make this. You need to make this. This is so delicious. This is so easy to make too. Your kids will love it. Adults will love it. Everyone will love it. It's just so delicious.